Easy breathing. It is not just a tagline, but what we pursue. Tiny upgrade we done. Care more health. Guard more people. Ongoing duty here as routine, but outstanding result we may grant. We specialized in respiratory disease detection and devote all of our effort to bring people an easy breath. Guangdong Hecin Scientific Incorporated, the key member of the Industry University Research Subcenter of the National Clinical Research Center for Respiratory Diseases, was established in 2015. It is located in the IUR base of the State Key Laboratory of Respiratory Diseases, which owns 5,000 square meters of independent R&D and production sites. Professor Li Xiaofeng, the founder of the company, was the chief scientist of enzo-biochemistry and the research scientist of Yale University School of Medicine. He is a member of the National Major Talent Project, also a visiting professor of Guangzhou Medical University, a leading entrepreneur in Guangzhou, and an outstanding expert. Good tools are essential to do the job well. Hecin has established a leading enterprise-level P2 virus laboratory in China, which contains more than 200 strains and 400 virus strains, covering various common respiratory infection pathogens. During the period of fight against COVID-19 and influenza, along with mature respiratory pathogens isolation and culture technology, Hecin continued to assist our country in formulating the national reference materials for 2019 nCoV nucleic acid detection and antigen detection, and successfully obtained the exclusive authorization from the Clinical Laboratory Center of National Health Commission to produce and sell 2019 nCoV nucleic acid quality control material. With innovative platform researched and developed, Hecin has built a comprehensive and efficient respiratory pathogen diagnosis program, which contains multiple rapid PCR, flow cytometry, direct immunofluorescence, chemiluminescence, immunochromatography (POCT), and other technical platforms. Relying on a series of solid foundation, more than 100 kinds of innovative respiratory tract detection-related projects have been developed. Hecin pioneered the application of flow cytometry in respiratory tract detection in the world and obtained the high-tech product certificate of Guangdong Province. The company's self-developed ultra-fast qPCR instrument can complete the detection within 30 minutes, which is widely used in rapid detection of infectious diseases, such as cold chain food and primary medical institutions detections. In addition, the company has established a full automatic immunochromatographic reagent production line, with annual output of hundreds of millions, served more than 50 countries and regions in the world. After 5 years of tempering, the sword was finally forged. In the early stage of the outbreak of COVID-19, Hecin has launched a virus-inactivated sample preservation solution to ensure the safe transportation of clinical samples and developed the 2019 nCoV antibody detection reagents, pseudovirus particles, nucleic acid extraction reagents by multi-platform synchronously. The 2019 nCoV IgM antibody detection of immunochromatography platform was first approved by the State Food and Drug Administration, which has the characteristics of simple operation, rapid detection, and economic benefits. It has also been approved by the clinic and passed the formal registration in the first batch. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Hecin donated healthcare materials to more than 10 countries and regions and sent support teams to the front lines of epidemic areas, which fully demonstrated the professionalism and social responsibility of the enterprise. With mission of protecting human respiratory health, Hecin always adheres to the concept of independent R&D and independent innovation, and devotes ourselves to the development of diagnostic reagents for respiratory infectious diseases. Providing users with more accurate, sensitive, convenient, and faster diagnostic products as our own responsibility, Hecin is committed to create a respiratory pathogen diagnosis program, Diagnostic Experts.